Hi, Trisha here from the Night Owl Mama, and I'm ready to draw the winner for the Hoover Platinum Collection carpet cleaner. Now, I do want to say that I appreciate everyone who took the time to enter. I know some of you had trouble with the blog page loading and load time and stuff like that. Since I just switched to WordPress and I'm still kind of learning everything, I was trying to figure out ways to speed that up, and honestly, I'm still looking. I did a few things yesterday, which took me some time, and that's why this post wasn't put up last night, but I'm working on it, just to let you know. Now, I want to thank everybody who took the time to blog, and everyone who took the time to tweet every day. I know some of you were faithful at tweeting a couple times a day, so you got plenty of entries in. And many of you only just put one entry in, which everyone knows that's all you need is one. So let's go ahead and get started and see who the winner is. Okay? All right, here we are on the Hoover giveaway. Scroll on down. Some comments. Yay! Comments. See how many we have. I tried to break that up into pages too, and for some reason the blog wasn't listening to me, so I still have to work on that. But we have 3,591 comments. So let's go over to random.org. Okay, so 3,591 comments. Let me just go back to make sure. 3591, right? And generate. The winner is 1574. 1574. Okay, let's go back over and 1574. Oh my goodness, these comments are tricky. 78, 77, 1576, 1575, 1574 is Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah at Randomly Speaking, Poetically Thinking. So, I will have to go over to Miss Sarah's blog and double check. Her winning entry was, your button was added to my blog's homepage. And I'm going to head over to her blog and double check that, as well as the rest of her entries. I want to make sure that every single entry that she put in was valid, because after all, following the rules is important. So I want to thank you all for entering, and make sure that you are following me on Facebook. I have a brand new Facebook thing on the side of my blog, so go ahead and like me on Facebook, because I do have a lot more exciting giveaways coming up for you. And thanks for following me on Google Friend Connect, as well as Facebook and Twitter. I hope to have a lot more exciting things coming up for you. I know I do have a couple already, so stay tuned, and thanks again for watching. Thanks again for all that you do on helping the Night Owl Mama be a great blog. And congratulations again to Miss Sarah. Thanks again for watching. This video will be unedited so that you can see how everything went. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye, Sean.
Bye.